Egg here. Eli got this for his birthday, so I guess we're just going to do an unboxing
They're
video.
really cool rocket copters. Show them to all the fans out there.
They're really
It
cool.
sounds cool. Rocket copters.
So we are going to do an unboxing video and playing video, and
Yeah, so after we unbox all of this, we're going to go outside and play with them. And I'm going to film.
And this is going to be like, welcome to Ronnie's toy review.
Oh, shut up. Shut up, dude.
So here we have
It just fell right out.
here we have the launchers.
I can get the rocket copter. I'll get the copter.
And then I know how the copters work. You have to fold them before you can fly.
I know. I had trouble with that for my other pack. Hi, Katie. Stay away. Stay away. But you could be in the video.
I'm going to go ahead and fold the rocket copters and get them ready. So.
Yeah.
This may take a while, okay, guys? So feel free to go get some snacks while we do this.
Yeah. Now we're going to go crazy. Okay. We're back.
OMG. How are you supposed to do this?
I don't know. And don't say any bad words, or this is gonna get a lot of thumbs down on this video.
How are you supposed to?
I don't know.
Oh yes, finally.
Just say what the fudge.
Oh, there we go. Now I'm going to use the pink one because, of course.
Yeah, cause you love hot pink, light pink.
Okay, guys, I love any pink. And so we have the rocket copters and the rocket copter band.
Okay.
Jeez, how are you supposed to? Holy crud!
I can get it. Just film it.
No.
Me doing it.
There we go. So Eli's getting the rubber band untangled and
Trying to figure.